And we're following breaking news tonight. 6 volleyball players from Lafayette are recovering right now after their van crashed into construction equipment in Boone County. This accident happened around 4 o'clock today. Police are telling us they were driving on US 52 heading to a sports complex in Plainfield for a game.
Yeah, that's when they collided with this equipment here, and it happened at the intersection of County Road 650 North. The driver of that equipment, 80-year-old Edward Shelley, was seriously hurt. None of the girls in the van suffered life-threatening injuries. Police
are telling us they are still investigating. They do not think drugs or alcohol were involved in that crash.